Welcome back. The voting in the Panchayat poll is not a sure secret. Ballot paper having serial number of voter from the voters list is enough to defeat the purpose of maintaining secrecy in voting. At present, elections through ballot voting is completely at the mercy of government officials. Talegaon Panchayat election has exposed the flaws of ballot voting. State Election Commission says they are following procedures laid down by the CEC. Former Election Commissioner says ballot voting can be kept a foolproof secret if system is modified a bit. Watch report.
I can find out whom you have voted. Whenever a candidate says to the local voter, they get baffled. Recent Panchayat poll in Talegaon brought this issue to the fore. It's all about the secrecy of voting and procedure adopted for polling. Prashant Kukarkar, a voter from Talegaon, has a doubt and suspicion about the secrecy of his vote.
तालिगांव पंचायतीचे इलेक्शनाक तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें की बॅलेट पेपर जो आसा ताजो कावंटर फॉयल ताजेर म्हजी सिग्नेचर घेतली आनी एक सिरियल नंबर जो आसा तोच सिरियल नंबर बॅलेट पेपराचेरय आसा. हाजो अर्थ अशें जाता की हांवें कोणाक जें वोट केलां तेजो कावंटर फॉयल पळयत आनी जो बॅलेट पेपर जर टॅलीट कर जाल्यार समजता. मागीर हातूंत सिक्रेसी कशी उरली.
Now, this is the procedure of voting. Look at the polling process during Talegaon Panchayat poll. The voter enters the polling station. Officials on duty ask the voter to sign on the ballot paper. The other official applies ink to his finger. Meantime, the first official tears the counterfoil of the ballot paper and hands it over to the voter. Voter moves to the voting compartment and casts his vote to the candidate of his choice. Later, he deposits the ballot paper in the ballot box. Now, the ballot paper contains your vote and your serial number from the voters list also. One can know whom a voter has cast his vote through this serial number on ballot paper by matching it with the voter's roll, asking for a signature on ballot paper counterfoil and mentioning the serial number of voter on the ballot paper. This system has been adopted by the Election Commission for years during Panchayat and municipality elections. Voter apprehend that a candidate can acquire those ballot papers from offices and get a tailor-made data of his and opposition candidates' voters. This data can be vital for candidates contesting assembly or Lok Sabha polls too. Election Commission maintains that the ballot papers are kept seal-packed in the treasury after counting and later disposed after 6 months. We contacted former Election Commissioner Prabhakar Timle. It's not necessary for a state to follow centre's directives on ballot paper voting as they are. State can have its own more foolproof system of ballot paper voting to keep polling more secret.
की पयलीं अशें नाशिल्लें पण मागीर सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिशनान हो नवो प्रोसिजर काडलो. जेन्ना बॅलेट पेपर उजार पळय करतात सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिशनान असो प्रोसिजर स्थापन केल्लो हाजो अर्थ असो न्ही की सगळ्या जाग्यार स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशनान तो फॉलो करचो असो. दुसरो प्रश्न येता तो की हाका लागून गुपीत उरतले काय ना. एक्चुअली ते गुपीतच उरता कित्याक ते कोण घेवन बसना.
This means the whole polling process is run at the mercy and control of officials and government machinery. Although Election Commission claims to dispose ballot papers or maintain the secrecy in ballot voting, the claim leaves a scope for ifs and buts. In current state of affairs, nothing in administration can be guaranteed. But the question is, why at all have a voting system which leaves scope for revealing voters' identity? Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Nesai blast case, deceased accused Paplu Mulgund used to procure explosives from Karnataka. Goa police suspects it. Police is probing this aspect with the help of Karnataka police. In the twin crude bomb blast on 8th May, accused Paplu Mulgund had died and 5 others were injured.
Combined police team of Maina Kurturi and crime branch team has quizzed around 100 persons known to deceased Paplu Mulgund. But it has not been revealed so far that from where Paplu used to procure the explosives to make crude bombs. But a senior officer of Goa police told to Prudent that we are suspecting that Paplu Mulgund used to procure explosives from Hubli or Belgaum. Paplu's relatives are involved in many cases of robbery and dacoity in Hubli and Belgaum. Karnataka police is assisting us in the probe. Deceased Paplu Mulgund has been booked under Explosive Substance Act. Paplu was involved in illegal meat trade of wild animals. He died on 8th May when 2 bombs exploded in his rented house. 5 others including Paplu's wife and 2 kids were injured in the blast. Later, NSG team recovered and defused about 50 crude bombs. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Even in the 21st century, superstitions are a widespread problem in India. In a program to release a special edition of a magazine dedicated to anti-superstitions activist late Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, speakers opined that superstitions are weakening Indian society. Advocate Mukta Dabholkar, daughter of late Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, stated that superstitions do not only exist among uneducated people, but among well-educated too.
It is irony for our society that people believe in superstition. Advocate Mukta Dabholkar, daughter of late Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, said superstitions are not bound to any caste or religion, and menace of superstition like Narbali still exist in Indian society.
मुंबईपासून 60 किलोमीटर अंतरावर वसई म्हणून गाव आहे. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे मुंबईचा भागच आहे ते आजगुडास. तर तिथे देखील ही घटना एक नरबळी देण्याची घडली. एअर इंडिया मधला तो माणूस होता. 60,000 रुपये त्याला पगार होता, परंतु तो एका बाजूला मांत्रिकगिरी करायचा आणि त्याच्याकडे एक बाई, तिचा एक मतिमंद मुलगा होता. त्या मतिमंद मुलाच्या समस्येने पीडित झालेली एक बाई त्याच्याकडे जात होती. ती ज्या रिक्षावाल्याबरोबर जायची, तो रिक्षावाला देखील त्याचा भक्त होता. त्या रिक्षावाल्याला त्याने सांगितलं की तू या बाईचा बळी दिलास तर तुझ्या समस्या संपतील. आणि त्यानंतर त्या एअर इंडियात काम करणाऱ्या माणसांनी म्हणजे मांत्रिकांनी त्या बाईचा नरबळी घेतला.
Noted journalist and social activist Ramesh Kolwalkar urged for a review and amendments in age-old laws to deal with superstitions.
लॉ कमिशन नेमून सगळे लॉ जे आसा पन्ने कायदे आउटडेटेड कायदे रिव्यू करचे म्हणून. सेक्शन 295 आयपीसीचे कोणाक दिले भितर उडय भावना दुखवले म्हणजे कोणाची भावना दुखवत आमच्यो प्रजे रोखडेच काय पता ही ब्रिटिशांनी केल्ली तांकां जाय म्हणून कर्मां आमी वचून घेवन बसल्या. ह्या बदल्या खातीर आमी झगडटा आनी हें आमचें एक काम.
At the event, Mukta Dabholkar released a special edition of Lok Bhumi magazine dedicated to anti-superstitions activist late Dr. Narendra Dabholkar. Dr. Narendra Dabholkar was murdered on 20th August 2013 in Pune. Mukesh Kumar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.